Hello, welcome to IMA. Dosa and Idly food truck business. I will explain. Introduction. I will explain the points. Why start a dosa and idli food truck? High demand, low investment, good profit margins. Business plan. What will you sell? Varieties of dosa, idli, chutneys, sambar. Unique selling point. Healthy, fast, authentic flavors. Market research and target audience. Who are the customers? Office goers, students, families, tourists. Best locations for sales. Near offices, colleges, IT parks, events. Competitor analysis. Licenses and legal requirements. Food Business Registration, FSSAI. Local municipality permits. GST registration. Fire and safety measures. Investment and budget. Cost breakdown. Food truck setup. Equipment, stove, griddle, storage. Raw materials and ingredients. Branding and marketing. Estimated budget, 5 lakh minimum. Adjust as needed. Food menu and pricing. Basic menu. Plain dosa, masala dosa, idli, vada, sambar. Specials, cheese dosa, Mysore dosa, set dosa, rava dosa. Combo offers. Dosa plus idli plus filter coffee. Affordable pricing strategy. Location and operations. Best time to operate. Breakfast and evening peak hours. High footfall areas. Tech parks, colleges, railway stations. Mobile business strategy. Changing locations based on demand. Pricing and sales strategy. Selling price per plate, 40 rupees. Daily sales target. Morning, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., example profit for 100 plates. Night, 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., example profit for 50 or 100 plates. Revenue and expenses. Monthly revenue, 1 lakh rupee maybe. Expenses, ingredients, gas, packaging, miscellaneous, 30,000 rupees. Net monthly profit, 1 lakh rupee maybe. Business growth plan. Increase sales by expanding menu. Cheese dosa, Mysore dosa, etc. Optimize high footfall locations. Partner with Swiggy Zomato for online orders. Marketing strategy. Offline, attractive food truck design. Word of mouth, special offers. Online, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp promotions. Food vlogging. Conclusion and motivation. A simple and profitable business model. Focus on taste, hygiene, and consistency for success. Start small, grow big. Thank you for watching me.